Welcome back. Review time. So what we're looking at tonight, nice wee knife from Artisan Cutlery and CJRB. So I've actually got two different colours, one in the kind of brown, one in the kind of black. That's the box it comes in. Actual knife. I'll put links down to where you can get these. There's a wee instruction manual as well. Comes in a nice wee case. Again, sturdy enough, decent enough zip. You open it up, inside you've actually got a nice wee kind of cleaning cloth. Inside the actual packaging, or bag, whatever you would call it, it's almost kind of fleece lined. But the actual knife, which comes actually in that, obviously you can take it out once you get it, is this here. So as you can see, it's got the nice wee kind of clip on it. Notice here, it's got the wee, it's almost like a kind of ball bearing. I think when I looked at it, it said it's basically, it's called the Acacia J1952. I think it's got AR-RPM9 blade steel. Blade length, it's basically a folding knife, FRN handle, with obviously the wee kind of belt clip on the side. Blade length is 81.5 millimeters. Thickness, it is 2.5 millimeters. You can get it in stone wash or black PVP. So I think that says PUV coating or some sort of PVB coating possibly. The grind on it's flat. The style is the drop point. I mentioned it's a ceramic ball bearing in the pivot. It's got a crossbar lock on it, so it does actually lock in place. And its overall length is 188.5 centimeters. Right, and to basically lock it into place, it is just that wee ball bearing. So this is actually quite nice. I can do that right. I can't remember how I should do it. Pull it out. That's it. So all in all, I would say it's actually quite a nice wee knife. Oh, that was what I'm doing. I've cut myself with it there. In fact, that's a wee test. Just got a wee bit of paper. The cut test, I call it. You know, sometimes you buy knives and they're never that sharp. Let's see how sharp this is. Well, that is actually pretty sharp, I would say. Yep. I think that would shave the kind of hairs off. Yeah. Yep. So, nice wee knife. So that's it in the brown. I think it comes in about 5 or 6 different colours. Which I'll show the black one as well. While we're at it. Same thing. Do actually have a really good selection of knives. A massive selection, to be honest. So possibly, I don't know, maybe get some more. I'll be honest, I've not done that many knife reviews for a couple of knives, but I think it's quite nice to have a nice wee knife to take when you're camping, doing bushcraft, stuff like that. So that's the black version. Don't know how well you can see it. But it is actually a nice wee knives. Again, just exactly the same operation. More or less just pull that down and it locks into place. Again, very sharp. So There we go. So as ever folks, I'll stick links down below where you can get it. That is the Acacia, I think it's ACACIA. I'll stick the links down below anyway, so you can, basically if you want to buy it, or you can maybe look at some of their other knives as well. As ever, thanks for watching, catch you in the next one, here it is.